It is my favorite product in the world. It is my favorite concealer. I have yet to find anything better than this. I have used every single concealer on the market. You personally cannot convince me that there is anything else better.
I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you.
What's up, guys? My name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So I want to share with you some of my favorite beauty products that I have been using time and time again. Some of these are repurchases, and then some of these are products that I just actually got. I feel like most of these products have become staples in my makeup routine, and it has helped to make my makeup super flawless. So I'm going to be giving you guys all of my beauty secrets. I'd like for you to follow along. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family. And guys, we're gonna jump straight into this list of makeup goodies that you should have. All right, first up, everybody knows the key to having beautiful skin, beautiful flawless skin that just translates well on camera and off camera, is skincare. So one of my favorite products that I like to use day in and out, it is the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. This product is amazing. It has a primer built into it. It is your everyday moisturizer. It has vitamins B, C, and E. So this product is not only filled with hyaluronic acid, it has vitamin C, which has geranium and grapefruit. So it's great for sunspots, age spots, hyperpigmentation, anything. This is just, oh my gosh, it is amazing. And the smell of it is just so good. This is probably my fourth one that I've had, and I am super obsessed with it. It is something that I will continue to use for years and years to come. So if you have not tried this product, it is amazing. You can cancel out having too many steps in your makeup routine because of the primer and the moisturizer combination. It is just great for the lazy girl that doesn't like a lot of steps. All right, next on my list, this brand can do absolutely no wrong when it comes to foundation, and I am talking about Nars Cosmetics. Nars just gets it right every single time. So two of my favorite foundations, which are my staples, is the Radiant Longwear foundation and also the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. Right now I'm wearing the Soft Matte, and as you can see, my skin does have a little bit of sheen to it, but that is because I have used another really good product, which is the Power Grip Setting Spray from e.l.f. Amazing. This one has a dewy finish, but it is guaranteed to keep your makeup locked in place. And of course, guys, as you can see, mine is well loved, but I also have backup. So if you haven't tried this and you're looking for a really good setting spray, this one is amazing. It has a very fine mist spray, so you really don't feel like anything is going on, but you can see it just gives your skin such a beautiful, healthy glow. So another one of my favorite beauty purchases, not just this year, I purchased it more at the end of last year. So this is e.l.f.'s Lip Reviver Lip Oil. So the favorite one that I like is the Crystal Baller. So this color, it is so gorgeous. It is literally like you have diamonds on your lips. It is so pretty, and it just makes my lips just look so juicy and beautiful. So I am super obsessed with Anastasia satin lipsticks. So this shade, the color of it is called Honey Taupe, and it is so stunning. So this is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. This lip combination, oh my gosh, every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. It's just stunning. It's beautiful. And Morphe, y'all, mic drop. Morphe has the best lip liners out there. So the shade that I'm wearing right now is called Bite Me. Listen to me. I am super obsessed with Morphe lip liners. They're stunning, they're super affordable, and like, as you can see, these colors, OMG, these colors are gorgeous. So if you haven't had a chance to try any of Morphe lip liners, you can get them on Ulta.com. If you don't have an Ulta near you, you can get them from Morphe.com. And I'm pretty sure there's like a Morphe store in the UK that has them, and OMG, like stunning. Hands down my favorite lip liners ever. Now, in terms of eyeshadow, of course my makeup is a little bit more dramatic today, but if you are looking for a cool tone eyeshadow palette, this palette, I cannot say enough about this palette. This is the Morphe. It is the 18CT Matte Essentials palette. This palette it's the bomb. It's the bee's knees. It is the most beautiful cool tone eyeshadow palette ever. Like honestly, if you look at the shades, they are so pretty, and I just feel like you can do so much. This is for my brown girlies. This is for my light girlies. This palette is just an all around everybody palette. Now, super affordable. Another palette that you can get from Ulta.com or Morphe.com. I just feel like if you're not into like heavy eyeshadow, and like if you're not into a bunch of color, this palette is super cool tone. So you can go very neutral with it, but you can also get very dramatic with this palette. Now, these are two of my favorite setting powders. This is the Laura Mercier Translucent Honey. I feel like this one is a staple that just about everybody knows about. Either they're using translucent honey or they're using the original translucent color. This is a holy grail translucent powder. It is so beautiful, so amazing. It is what I use to set my under eye with. I typically use that one on my day-to-day, but when I'm not using that, I am using the Anastasia Vanilla Translucent Powder. This is another amazing powder. Plus, guys, you get so much product for like $35. You cannot beat this. I have tried so many other setting powders, and for whatever reason, I keep going back to those. They have just become staples in my kit. Like, they set your makeup, it stays all day, you don't get oily, and it just looks so beautiful. Even if you have fine lines and wrinkles under the eye, once you blend your concealer and you set it, it just looks stunning. So if you haven't tried those two out, I know a lot of people are using the Patrick Star one or they're using the Huda Beauty. I have tried both of those, and I'm sorry, my personal opinion, they just do not compare to those setting powders. So I think you should definitely give them a try if you haven't. And speaking of setting powders, this is my secret weapon. I don't know if you have heard of these. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't, but this is a Sephora brand Micro Smooth powder. This is going to give your skin that airbrush, flawless, filtered look. I'm telling you, they are everything and then some. And what I love is because sometimes with the Sephora brand, you can get them on sale. Now, another affordable brand for you to try, because these are typically $20. Your average setting powder is anywhere from $34 to $45, and these are only $20. Now, this, it's very comparable to the MAC mineralized powder, and it is just, this is stunning. So again, this is my secret weapon. Anytime I put this on, I get compliments because people are like, oh my gosh, your skin is so smooth. What are you wearing? I'm wearing this. I'm using this. And you should be using this too. Now, I have an affordable blush and I have a high-end blush, and both of them pack the same exact punch. First, let's start off with this Revlon blush in the shade Tickled Pink. Guys, it is so stunning. It is, it's just pretty. It picks up so much color. A drugstore brand. This is so pretty. You can build up the color. It is stunning, and like, it just swatches good. It stays all day. And this is a shade that just gives you like that really pretty baby pink tone, because right now pink blushes are the latest craze, and that one is such an affordable one to try. And if you're gonna want something that's a little bit more high-end, this one is the shade Nectar, and this one is by Bobbi Cosmetics. It is so pretty. Like, this one, I recently got this one, and At first I was like, it looked like it could have been a little bit too light, but for me, when my skin oxidizes and my natural oils come out, this is stunning. This is hands down one of my favorite blushes that I own to date. It is just gorgeous, probably one that I'm going to continue to wear, but you have options. So I like to mix high-end with low-end brands. So pretty much I'm a girl that I like high-end makeup. I like pretty much affordable makeup, but these two, these are some must-have. All right, and you like a really good fluffy lash that is just like very dramatic, but just like stunning. So this is from BT Lash. You can get these from off of TikTok Shop. I'm pretty sure you can order something similar off of Shein, but these are my favorites. I have been wearing these lashes damn near every day for a little over a year, and I absolutely love them. I get so many compliments. I have just about probably every makeup tutorial that you guys have seen on this channel, I have used these lashes. You can buy them, if you just want to try them, you can buy them in a single pack for probably like $1.75, or you can get the 3-pack of them, which is probably gonna run you about $4 or $5. And still, it's not bad because literally you are going to get 15 pair of lashes for that price. So yeah, that is such an amazing deal. All right guys, and my last and final 2 products that I'm gonna show you guys is what I use to pretty much highlight and contour. So I love this product. If you know, you know. This is the e.l.f. Camo Hydrating Concealer. It is my favorite product in the world. It is my favorite concealer. I have yet to find anything better than this. I have used every single concealer on the market. You personally cannot convince me that there is anything else better because I just love this product. I've used it for the last couple of years. I've used other concealers, they just don't compare. This is $7 and it performs just as good as a high-end concealer. Actually, it performs better. It is amazing. This is not sponsored. I am not getting paid for saying this. I am just telling you personally, this is the truth. I love it. And then I also use the Black Opal. So this is their foundation stick, but I use it to pretty much contour with. The shade is called Beautiful Bronze. So I always say contour because that's just a thing that people say, but I use it to bronze with. So you can see I have it on pretty much the perimeter of my face. With contouring, you typically use cool tones. I like a more bronzy look, not like too structured and polished. I just like to have like that natural kind of the sun kiss my skin. But these 2 products are amazing. So guys, these are all of my favorite products that I have been using for a very long time, and some of them are very new, and I just think that you should give them a try. So if you like any of these products, I'm gonna list everything that I talked about in the description box below. I feel like you should give them a try. Find them in your shade because most of these brands are going to cater to most skin types and tones, and there's going to be something for you. So if you haven't already and you made it this far, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, join my beautiful online family, and guys, I will see you in my next video. If you have any other video ideas of something that you want to see on this channel, leave me a message in the description bar below and we can perhaps get one of those videos out for you. So I'll see you guys later. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet again.